Hey everyone, Lucy here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make pie chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. So first go to Insert tab and here in Illustrations ribbon, you will find a chart option. Click on that and in this window, search for the pie option. Here you will see different demonstrations of a pie. Just click on how you want the chart to be and click on it. After that, click on OK and you will see a chart in your workspace and you will also see a new window which is an Excel file. You can edit this with the data you want and the title you want here. So there are a lot of things you can do here, like change the demonstrations, the styles, design of the pie, and you can also create a title of the chart. You can also manage how you want the data of the chart to go wherever you want, top, bottom, left or right. And you can also change colors. You can also add different labels on the chart like that wherever you want. And if not this, you can always go back to the Insert tab and find a new way of demonstrating your pie chart like this one. Just like that, you have made a pie chart in your Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.